Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to openly resolve if touch gestures are not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth and devices. So, click lang natin yan. And then dito sa Bluetooth and devices, so, scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin dito yung touchpad. Okay, so ito siya. So, touchpad, taps, gestures, scrolling, and zooming. So, kailangan lang natin itong i-tap. And then next ay makikita mo kaagad dito sa taas yung touchpad settings. So, dito ay kailangan mo lang turn on or turn off. Okay, so click mo lang itong button niya. And then next step ay pwede mo itong i-customize. So, mayroon dito leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. So, pwede mo itong gamitin. So, pwede mo i-check itong box or uncheck. So, same naman dito kung gusto mo itong reset touchpad settings and gestures to default. So, dito sa right side, click mo lang itong reset. So, dito naman sa kanyang gestures and interactions, so dito naman yung kanyang cursor speed, pwede mong i-adjust. So, dito naman sa top, so pwede mo itong i-customize. Nandito yung mga action settings. Same naman dito sa scroll and zoom. So, nandito yung other option settings na pwede mong i-customize. And then dito naman sa 3 fingers gesture, so same. Pwede mo itong i-arrange or customize din. So, click mo lang itong open search. And then dito sa 4 fingers gesture, so same naman dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix touchpad gestures are not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.